Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Indigo roll cake in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to make the Indigo roll cake, you need to have the original roll cake recipe, and you can get the recipe from Doris store. You can only find Doris during the rainbow event or the rainy condition. Once you find her, you can buy the original roll cake recipe and also the colorful sugar. And to make this indigo roll cake, you need to have the indigo sugar. I've already purchased the indigo sugar, guys. So I'm going to use it to make the indigo roll cake. Okay, we can go to the stove and we can select the original roll cake recipe. Wait, where's my recipe? Okay, the original roll cake, and we're going to replace the sugar with the indigo sugar like this, and we're going to start cooking. Don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid bizarre food. Okay, basically if you want to make the colorful roll cake, you just need to replace the sugar. If you want to make the indigo one, just use the indigo sugar. If you want to make the blue one, use the blue sugar. Okay, I've just unlocked the indigo roll cake in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the indigo roll cake in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!